Hi, everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Related to Real Estate. And we're really excited to talk to you today about what we think is really important, which is building wealth in 2022. We're coming upon the new year. We're nearing the end of 2021. It's been a rough year, a tough year, and a different year for everybody for a lot of different reasons. So let's build some wealth in 2022. And we're excited that real estate, we feel, is going to play a very big role in that building wealth.
Yeah, definitely. And that, starting economically, we think it's a good time to get into real estate if you don't already own real estate, or get into more real estate if you do already have made some real estate investments recently or in the past. And that's because economically, obviously, we know inflation is going wild, but rents are also going up right now, which is great being a landlord. And also the stock market has taken a tumble this past week if you have been watching your stock portfolio. So economically right now is a good time to put your money away in real estate.
Hard assets, yeah.
Exactly. And so in terms of looking forward to what the actual best ways to put your money into real estate, because there's a lot of different ways to invest in real estate. There's multifamilies, condos, and all different property types, different ways to hold them. We could flip them. And so we want to talk about what the best ways to coming into 2022. And both in terms of availability, but also in terms of profitability, and what's going to put the most money in your bottom line at the end of the month, end of the year, and moving forward. And so the first one of those is going to be fix and rent properties. So multifamilies, condos that you can get at the right prices, single families in the right areas. Right now, as I said, rents are going up. And so rents going up is good news to fix something, get premium rent on a property that you paid a premium price for. And so that is the first good opportunity in real estate for 2022. The second one is going to be larger multifamily portfolios. Just because of the buying cycle, typically a large number of multifamilies were bought in the 1980s to the 1990s. And if you do the math on that, right now, those property owners, if they did own them, they've owned those for 30 or 40 years in some cases, and they're getting ready to retire. And so we've been seeing a larger number of availability in terms of larger multifamily assets. And if you have the money, putting your money into a 14 unit, a 10 unit, or even something as small as a 6 unit can be a great place for you to get constant cash flow
Long-term.
As well as long-term, like these people are doing that are selling equity gains in terms of your property. And the final one that we think is going to be a really great opportunity is still a fix and flip and sell situation. Right now, properties are selling in good condition at the highest price. And that's what we're seeing across the board, not only just in terms of flips, but also just in terms of the general housing market. And so because of that, if you can get a property at the right price, and we know that we can still find those deals out there for our clients, you can sell those at a higher price and at a premium price when they are in the proper condition in today's market.
Yeah. Premium price, premium condition. We talked about that last week. So
exactly.
That's awesome. I mean, that really is something to think about.
Those are 3 ways you can build real estate this coming year, and you can start even before the year is over. We have a lot of investors out right now, because right now, hint, hint, at the end of the year is one of the best times to buy an investment property, because you have less owner-occupied buyers in play in terms of single families, multifamilies, and condos. And so it's a much cooler market in terms of that, which helps you possibly get a better deal on your next investment. So that's this week's Related to Real Estate video, and we hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and we'll talk to you all soon. Bye now.
Bye-bye, guys.